Hi friends, in this video let us solve the transformator question asked in date 2006 EC paper. And the question is, if the region of convergence of x1 of n plus x2 of n is 1 by 3 less than z less than 2 by 3, then the region of convergence of x1 of n minus x2 of n. So they are given for x1 of n plus x2 of n, ROC is 1 by 3 to 2 by 3. What is the region of convergence of x1 of n minus x2 of n? So whether if you add the signal or subtract the signal, the ROC will not change. That is the property of impulse Z transform. So we will have the same ROC for x1 of n and x1 of n minus x2 of n. So the answer is option D. Right. So what is the property we used here? The ROC of addition or subtraction of two functions x1 of n and x2 of n is, we know, or it is a common between R1 ROC of first one and the ROC of second one. So whatever it be, plus or minus, the ROC is same. If x1 of n is having ROC of R1, x2 of n is having ROC of R2. For x1 and x2 n minus x1 plus x2 or x1 minus x2, ROC is always common between these two. So the answer is same. Thank you.